In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribe animations like the ones you can see on your screen right now to any video easily just by using Capcut. Now, if you have any questions towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening up your browser on either your Android device or your iPhone device or on your PC, and then search for copyright-free subscribe animation, and then search for it. Now, once you search for it, you're going to see different type of websites that actually have these available. So I'm actually going to be going with this Pizza Bay that you can see at the top. So once you click on any of the websites, just wait for it to load up. Now, once it's done loading up, just scroll down a little bit and you start seeing a whole lot of subscribe animations. Now, the ones that you have to download are the ones that have green screen. You can see that this one is having green screen. Then you can see that this other one is also having green screen. Same with this one. So make sure that anyone you are downloading have green screen, because if it doesn't have a green screen, or rather a green background, this trick might not actually work for you. So once you are done downloading any one of your choice, then simply open your Capcut app so we can get it done. Now, once your Capcut app is open, just click on create project. So it's going to open up the entire interface. Now, once the interface is open, the next thing you need to do is to import that video that you want to add a subscribe animation to. So I'm going to be importing my video. So I'm going to be using this video. So once you import that video, then the next thing you need to do is to import the subscribe animation that you want to actually use for your video. So I'm going to be using this animation. Let me just use two for this video. So I'm going to be using these two for this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to insert your main video. So once you insert your main video, it's going to load up, and then you see that your main video is actually playing. So you can see this is my main video, and you can see my main video is playing, but there's no subscribe animations right now. So right now we need to overlay the subscribe animation. And in order for you to do that, you need to place your subscribe animation on top of your main video. So if I hold on this subscribe animation and I drag it to the screen, and then I place this on top of it, now you can see that the subscribe animation is actually now on top of my video. So what we have to do now is to remove this green screen. You can see this green screen around it. So we have to remove it. So to do this, make sure you've tapped on this subscribe animation. So just tap on it once, and then you are going to see the interface. So select video and then select remove BG. So once you click on remove BG, click on chroma key, and then just select any of the green section of the screen. So you can see it. So hovering it around the grid section is already removing it, but now I need to click on it. So once I tap on it once, that's it. So you can see now that it's showing perfectly well on the screen. But right now we need to adjust the size because it's too big. So to do that, you are going to see some options at the corner to actually adjust the size. So I'm going to be making it a little bit smaller. So once you've made it a little bit smaller, you can move it to any section of your screen. But as for me, I'm going to put it in the middle of my screen. So I'm going to put it right here. Let me increase it a little bit. So once I've done this, once you click on my video, I click play, you see that the subscribe animation is showing at the middle of the screen. Now, another cool thing that you can actually do is that you can actually reduce the sound of this animation. So to do this, just make sure that you go to the audio section, and then you are going to see the volume. So you can see you can actually reduce the volume and you can also increase the volume. Then this is the normal volume in here. So any one of your choice can actually increase the volume. Another thing you can do lastly is that you can move it around. Like right now is in the beginning, you can move it to the middle, you can also move it to the end. So if you move it to the end, if you play the video, you see that your subscribe animation is going to be at the end section of the video. So this is actually a cool way for you to actually add any subscribe animation to any of your YouTube videos, or just any random video that you want a subscribe animation placed on top of it. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.